Wet n Wild Hawaii is a 30-acre water park here out in Kapolei. We have 26 different rides and attractions throughout the park to provide great experiences to our visitors of all ages. Energy efficiency means a lot to Wet n Wild in that we're not only taking care of our guests and watching our power consumption, but finding ways to reduce the grid across the islands of Hawaii as well. We recently completed a project of installing 20 VFDs on approximately 30 of our motors here at Wet n Wild Hawaii. The project was a big deal for us because it not only increased the reliability of our motors, but also the efficiency, and that we were able to take the power consumption of our motors down drastically on each of them. It really has a big impact on our guests. Even though our guests might not actually see the drives that we installed here, what they see on their end is more reliability. Our rides are running a lot more often. Our water is actually filtering better. We're not spending as much time putting maintenance into maintaining the motors and pumps. In the first year alone, we've saved over $200,000, and all that money gets reinvested right back in the park to make better experiences for our guests.
We partnered with Hawaii Energyʻs, and I can tell you firsthand experience, it's been seamless, easy, enjoyable. Hawaii Energy has done a lot of the heavy lifting for us, asked us the good questions, but they've been our partner through the project, and we're appreciative of the support, the guidance, kind of walking us through this step, because we're a water park. We're good at what we do. We're not necessarily the energy specialists, so we relied on them heavily, and it's been a great partnership, and we look forward to the future with them. We're able to offer, it may sound a little crazy, but shade for our guests, maintain some of our margins, have our product remain affordable for all our kama'aina. We've been here for 25 years. We want to be here for 25 more, put forth a world-class product for all our local residents to enjoy. So some of these savings that we're hoping to see in the future with all of these renewable energy products allow us to put in new rides, create greater customer experience, and I think most importantly is maintain some of our pricing so our product can be affordable for all the residents of Oahu.
If I could summarize our entire experience working with Hawaii Energy in one word, it would really be collaborative, in that we worked together throughout the entire process and everybody was invested in the success of the project from start to finish.